Electric circuits. These are the materials you'll be using to build 3 simple circuits, which include LEDs, breadboard, resistors, batteries, wires, potentiometer, button, and a battery case. Simple circuit number 1. The breadboard will be used to connect all the electronic components together. The red line shows the positive connections and the blue line shows the negative connections. Now, connect the red wire of the battery case with the positive line of the breadboard and the black wire with the negative line of the breadboard. Make sure to twist the wires before placing them into the holes. A LED is a light-emitting diode, and the shorter end of the LED is negative and the longer end is positive. Connect the LED onto the breadboard. Resistors are available in different colors based on their resistance, and 220 ohm is red, brown. Connect 220 ohm resistor to the positive side of the LED on the same row on the breadboard. Use jumper wires to connect negative end of the LED to the negative line of the breadboard and another end of the resistor to the positive line of the breadboard. Attach 2 AA batteries in the battery case. You will see that your LED will light up. To turn it off, remove the batteries from the battery case after you are done. Simple circuit number 2. Make sure to remove all the wires and batteries. Attach a push button on your breadboard. Use jumper wires to connect the resistor and the button. Left side of the push button to the positive line of the breadboard. And the negative side of the LED to the negative line of the breadboard. Attach 2 AA batteries in the battery case. Press the button to see the LED light up. Simple circuit number 3. Make sure to remove all the wires and batteries. Attach a potentiometer onto the breadboard. As you can see, the joystick at the top acts as a controller for the potentiometer. The left end of the potentiometer is connected to the positive line of the breadboard. The right end will be connected to the negative line of the breadboard. The middle end will be connected to the resistor. The negative end of the LED will be connected to the negative line of the breadboard. Attach 2 AA batteries in the battery case. Adjust the joystick of the potentiometer to see the brightness of the LED going up and down.